So today we are checking out one of these socket fans. My brand sent me this for this video, and I think this one might be a little bit bigger than the one I have right now in my attic, which is where we're going to be installing it today. So it comes with an extender, which I will be using today. It comes with these 6 fan blades and the remote. So I'm going to go ahead and install it first, or install the blades rather, before we get up in there into the attic. And then once we get the blades installed, all we're going to have to do is screw this in. So to install these blades is super simple. You can see there's a little stop on there. Make sure you put these in all the way to the stop, or you'll have some kind of balancing issues. So make sure you do that. And you're going to make sure this serrated part here is up towards the ceiling. And all we're going to do is put them in there just like that. See, they click when you go in. So at least most of the time they're going to click. So if you don't get the click, keep pressing. It does take a bit of pressure to get these in here. So I'm going to get these blades in, and we're going to go to the attic. Okay, we're up in the attic now. So you got this thing installed. Go ahead and put the extender on here and the fan. And you can see it works. Let's check out this remote. I just hit the setup button on this remote to connect it. As soon as you power it on, it's going to go into pairing mode. You're going to hit the setup button on the remote itself to enable the connection. So let's hit this fan button. So it's got the timer on here, 248 hours. It sounds like it's going as fast as it goes right now. Let's go to 2. That's a 2, 1. And then go back to 6. Let's see how hard the fan blows. Oh yeah, you can hear it on the mic, how hard this fan is blowing. So plenty of airflow. See on this little cushion here, it's blowing that thing around. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but got plenty of airflow. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you got your fan settings, you got your light on, off, and your color changing. And the on-off button there. So that's this socket fan. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.